To make money online through Facebook ads campaigns, you can consider the following strategies. Offer a product or service. One of the most common ways to make money with Facebook ads is by promoting and selling your own products or services. Identify a niche or area of expertise, create a compelling offer, and use targeted Facebook ads to reach potential customers. Make sure your landing page or website is optimized for conversions to maximize your sales. Affiliate marketing. Join affiliate programs and promote products or services that align with your audience's interests. You earn a commission for every sale made through your affiliate link. Use Facebook ads to drive traffic to your affiliate offers and provide valuable content or recommendations to encourage conversions. Lead generation. Create lead magnets such as ebooks, guides, or webinars that provide valuable information to your target audience. Use Facebook ads to promote these lead magnets and collect email addresses. Once you have a list of leads, you can nurture them through email marketing and eventually promote relevant products or services. E-commerce dropshipping. Set up an e-commerce store using platforms like Shopify and partner with suppliers who handle product fulfillment. Use Facebook ads to drive traffic to your store and promote your products. When a customer makes a purchase, the supplier handles shipping the product, and you earn a profit on the difference between the wholesale and retail price. Create and sell digital products. If you have expertise in a particular area, consider creating and selling digital products such as online courses, ebooks, templates, or software. Use Facebook ads to target potential customers who would be interested in your digital products. Create compelling ad copy and visuals to drive conversion. Social media management or advertising services. If you have experience and skills in managing social media campaigns or running Facebook ads, you can offer your services to businesses or individuals. Use Facebook ads to target potential clients who may be interested in outsourcing their social media management or advertising. Remember to thoroughly research and understand the legal and ethical requirements associated with each method. It's also important to continuously optimize your Facebook ads, monitor your campaign's performance, and adjust your strategies based on data and results.